Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover VeChain, okay? Now with VeChain, we know that we had this area of resistance drawn support, and I told you that we need to get above this box, okay? If you would have closed a candle above this box, that would have been amazing, and you know that we had this price that it was going to go and touch. It came very close. It actually touched about 0.089 cents. That was amazing what it did, and then we got rejected because obviously we had a major resistance support over here, then we had resistance here, we had support, and then so on. Okay, but yeah, even if you bring your Fibonacci now and you look at this in the measurement side, you can see that we went above the 0.618. Okay, and then obviously um, look at the 0.618. And for those who don't understand Fibonacci, I just want to point this out. The 0.618 is the measurement, and on the right side this is the price. Okay, 0.08232 is the price. So if you ever get confused, you can always look at the price over on the right. This is going to tell you where the 0.618 level, at what price it's at. Okay, so now we can see that the price got rejected and then came back down, and then it is below the 0.618. Okay, and this is a golden ratio. We need to get above this, close a candle above it in order to be bullish actually. Okay, and momentum towards the upside, because you can see even in the previous history of Bitcoin, whenever you held support at 0.618, you rallied towards the upside. You broke the 0.618, you rallied towards the downside. So you can see this as a retest, okay? Because I think you cannot break the zero. Sometimes you can when the market goes extremely bullish, but sometimes it does take a lot of pressure for the weekly candles to break the 0.618 level, okay? And I think that's what it's doing. Even if the price does, let's say it couldn't break and Bitcoin plans to break the uh, you know, Bitcoin is actually above the 0.618, which is a good thing. So if Bitcoin stays above 0.618 and rallies towards the upside in this coming week, then or closes the candle above 0.618, I think that's going to be bullish in its way. Okay, you could go check out my Bitcoin video. I just made it a couple of minutes ago. So yeah, now obviously with the VeChain, I just want to point this out really quick about this red line. Okay, let's just take this off, but we have already broken it, and we'll keep this on because we need this. This will still come into play, this huge resistance. Okay, now if you go into the history of VeChain, you can see this red support line. How many times did we get rejected? One, two, three, one, two, and over here finally when we got the momentum, we broke towards the upside and broke the red line. Okay, so now this red line is also coming in as a huge resistance for VeChain, and we can achieve it once we break the 0.618 from this Fibonacci level. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to portray here. You want to break the 0.618 and then the price will rally. At least hit the zero point 0.5 level, close a candle above this these levels over here, like I explained you previously, and then we can have maybe like a small bullish sentiment, come back again, and hopefully make this kind of pattern like I showed you in my previous videos, and at least get to this level and touch it, come back. We will find support at the 0.618 level and then rally towards the upside, because this time you can see, if I show you in this Fibonacci, because this is one of the best tools you can ever use. You can see, okay, let me just explain. So the price goes up, it comes down, okay, right over here, and you can see this is where the 0.618 level is. Okay, then we went up, came down, held support at the 0.618 level, went up, hit this resistance of 0.236 and came down at the 0.368 level. Once we broke it, then we came rallying down. Now this can be considered as a retest of this level. Okay, so a very significant area. So I mean, this week maybe we can have a little bit of a better indication what's going to happen. And hopefully, even if we consolidate here for a bit, that's fine. But this is the level you want to get over in order for bullish sentiments to come back in the market for VeChain and a lot of other altcoins as well, because a lot of altcoins, what they did, they broke this level, they came back down, held support somewhere in the previous supports, and then they came and hit the 0.618 level and they got rejected. And then now, because this is an interesting thing, this is actually gonna complete the story in the coming weeks. Okay. So if you go in the lower time frames now and see what's going on, okay, if you go in the 4 hourly time frame and you look at this, pattern over here, you can see we are making this higher low formation, okay. This is a good thing, and then you can just come and draw this support line and also draw this resistance line over here, okay. So now it is making this beautiful pattern, okay, up down, trying to go up, and if it breaks the 0.08294 price level, then obviously it's gonna go back to the upwards level. Okay, now this is a good pattern, okay, in the lower time frames, and hopefully if the momentum picks up for VeChain, it can break the level. Okay, now also depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going up, VeChain is going to have this another rally and probably break this level and the 0.618 level. Okay, so keep an eye on the 4 hourly time frame, which is good. Let's check the RSI. Well, RSI looks bearish. It's making lower high formation. Okay, the momentum is dropping. Okay, so you can see price going up. Meanwhile, the RSI momentum is coming down. So keep an eye on this. 4 hour is looking bearish. It has the chance to break towards the downside, but again, you never know. If it comes up, gets above the this level over here of let's put it this way. Yeah, gets above this level again, the 0.09108, then and closes the candle above either let's see, a 4 hourly candle. I would say the weekly has to close over there. I'm not going to say 4 hourly. Then that's going to be a good sign, because in the 4 hourly you are making this bearish divergence. Okay, keep this in your viewpoint, and this is it for VeChain, guys. I mean, we have to wait for the weekly close and see what goes on. Okay, hopefully you like this kind of content, information. I only do this for information and knowledge purposes. And like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.